Today is Thursday, June 13th, 2019, and I am making chicken zucchini casserole. And I would say that this has probably got another 20 minutes to go. So you know what that means? It means we set a timer, we download Manjaro, put a flash drive in, we launch terminal, we list the USB devices, we list the block storage devices, not the USB devices. There we go. And I believe it is SDC. Unplug it. Run it. It did not show up. Run it again. SDC. Come on. Up, you silly knight. Okay, SDC. And we DD if of the Manjaro ISO of dev / SDC. Block size equals 8. Progress equals status. Oh, and we forgot to do this with a sudo. sudo. Go. Oh, you might want to flip that. Status is important, and so is progress. So put them in the right order. Da-da-da. While we wait for that, I went with the GNOME option just because I am most familiar with GNOME on my desktop. So we're going to go with that. Come on. No one has time to safely unplug their USB devices, but you might want to sync first. The ThinkPad T440p. Let's plug in our new Manjaro disk and bootylate it. We want to boot from my new drive. Here we go, guys. Ooh, what is this fun stuff here? Oh, the menu is a little slow to respond. So we're going to pick East Coast or America. I guess America. And we're going to go... Let's go New York. That's close enough. Driver free. Well, I think this has the fancy non-free drivers available. So let's just do them. And yeah, we got US keyboard. The time is wrong because it's like 9 o'clock. Whatever. All right, and then I guess we boot. Welcome to Manjaro. So we're hitting enter key, and then hopefully it's going to do something for us. It's just blank. Oh, blinking cursor. Loading. All right, all the things. Doing the stuff, whatever that means. Ooh, Pac-Man. I like Pac-Man. Daily cleanup. I should probably do that on my desk. It's a little messy out here. Authorization manager, host service. GNOME display manager is starting. TLP startup shutdown. Now we know stuff's happening. Wow. It knew that it was dark and it put it in night mode already. That's kind of an interesting feature. I'm going to turn it off, though. Come on, buddy. Can we go not in night mode? Turn off. Okay. All right. So now what are all these different options that we have available to us? So I guess I could just use it, but perhaps I will just install it. And so this is the installer. Now that we're booted up from it, we can run the installer. Lara. Ayara? Iluria? Yes, we are. Oh, we're not like actually connected. Let's connect you. Where's your internets? We still have to click 3 times to get to the Wi-Fi. All right, well, you know, at least we can get connected. I really need to replace this. This is horrible. And for reference, I'm looking for buttons. No buttons. All right, Wi-Fi connected. The fan is working. The fan. This is the fan icon, just so you know. We're going to install. Yep, we're there. Yeah, we like default English. Yeah, I'm going to erase everything. So, goodbye, Red Hat. We'll reinstall you some other time. I already unregistered you. Oh, you know what my name is. Who else would I be? And what's the name of this computer? Well, that's a tough decision. I mean, should it be just what I always do? Or should it be something fun? Oh, don't look at my password. I kind of like that it has this option because this is what I do anyway. So if you hack me successfully, you'll have my admin password on my laptop. Use the same password for the administrator account. It just saves me from typing my unsecure password yet again. All right, so we're going to install it on the disk. Are you sure you want to do these things and blow away your red hats? Oh no. What do we do here? Create a new partition table? Did not do the thing. Do we have to fix things? Why don't we just blow it away? Why don't we just... I don't want you to update. All right, so Red Hat Live Disk, you can't let me access... I'm killing you. Kill. I need a terminal, not an updater. Terminal. Okay. Ah, shoot. My alarm just went off. Well, that looks tasty. Well, I guess we will take that out of the oven, and then we'll continue with our installations. fdisk /dev SDA, and I want... Oh, I gotta sudo that. Sudo. Changes will remain in memory until you decide to write them. I want to delete it. I want 1, and then I want to delete. I want to delete number 2. D. Oh, it's empty now? What else can we do? I want to print. Oh, I want to L. List. What did I just do? I want I information about the partitions. Is there any? There's no. Well, let's just write. Write. Partition table has been altered. Great. Let's try reinstalling. Get out of the way. Boop-a-doop. Should be the same scenario as we went through. We're going to click next to everything. We're going to erase the disk, even though it didn't erase last time. However, it does not say there's anything there now, so that's good. We will replace it. And why is my screen hunting like that? Yeah, we want to use that. That sounds good. And I'll do this again. Clicking that. button, and then we click next, and then we click install, and then we say install now, and we see what happens, and we hope for the best. It's installing the system. The system is down because it has not been installed. Oh, we get a nice little advertisement about Manjaro and its 3 officially supported editions. And of course, we're using GNOME for this installation. Okay, it's done. I guess I'll click restart now. Done? Blah, blah, blah. Ooh. Let's log in. Let's explore. And we're in night mode again. I'm gonna just turn this off, and then I'm gonna turn off night mode again because I don't need you right now. But that's a nice feature. It's cool that you've got it, and it looks like you fixed the time for me. Let us launch the terminal. And the first thing we do is well, how do we update on this thing? I don't know what Manjaro is based on. Let's just try an apt-get install the screen fetch, because I don't even know what version this thing is. Oh, so package manager. Yeah, we forgot the dash. Well, I don't know what Manjaro is. Is that Arch based? So that's Pacman. Pacman. Well, we got to spell sudo correctly too. All right, that works. I didn't like it. Why don't we go back and type sudo correctly? Is it yum? I have to Google Manjaro doodly-doo. Screen fetch. What about NeoFetch? NeoFetch on Manjaro. Because NeoFetch is usually better than screen fetch, and it is just better in general. So it's -s. So we'll do Pacman -s NeoFetch. Ba-ding! Oh, it's case sensitive. All y'all Manjaro users are screaming at me. Sure, why not? And we run it. All right. So that only took us 13 minutes, but it really took us like a half an hour. But that's pretty cool. I'm going to plug the Ask Noah show because it's a pretty cool Linux podcast about interesting things. Give it a listen. I was actually just trying to find some program by looking in the notes. Now I can say I've installed something that has Arch. All right, well, that was your introduction and installation to the important things on Manjaro Linux. Aren't you excited? We installed something. Have a wonderful night. Subscribe.